Today, we'll show you how to install a frame using a wood cleat hanging system. Gather your tools: screws, a drill, a level, measuring tape, and painter's tape. Choose the spot where you want to install the frame. Measure the frame from top to bottom to determine the best placement. Use painter's tape on the wall to mark the top of the frame. Measure from the top of the frame to the bottom of the wood cleat. In this example, that measurement is 4 inches. From your tape mark, measure 4 inches down and mark that spot on the wall. This is where the cleat will be installed. Pre-drill holes in the wood cleat before installing. This makes mounting faster and more accurate. To help protect your wall paint, place a strip of painter's tape on the back of the cleat. Place the cleat on your mark and drill the first screw into the center hole. Use a level to make sure the cleat is straight. Then secure the screws on both sides using standard sheetrock screws. Lift the frame and place it onto the cleat until it locks into position. Your frame is now securely mounted using a wood cleat system.